Hello everyone. In this session we are going to discuss on how we can customize various parts of a publisher. Launch the publisher, you just go to the start button, then you can search from the search panel. If you don't see the control panel from the most used, if you don't see the publisher from the most used, you can just click on Home App, and then you can also scroll down to locate where it is located. Here it is. Or if you don't locate where it is, you can just click on the search here, search window, and then you type the publisher. So for me, I'm direct. You can maximize, and then maybe you can search on the blank one like that. So here at the top here, where it is written publication 2, this one, remember, it is the title. It is the title. And here we have the sense we can minimize it to take it to put it as a button on our task bar. We can maximize it, we can also close it, and here we have the quick access. We have this one being the quick access. So quick access toolbar, we can customize it in different way by clicking this drop down, and then we can either take it below, we can show it below. So you see now it comes here, it's a shift from the title bar to this. Then we can also add some of the maybe the tools found here on these our quick access by clicking on it, and then we can tick what we want it to be seen on that. And remember, you can also go for more command. Remember, these more commands, you can either open it from the drop down of these drop down of our quick access toolbar here and click on more commands, or else you can go to the file and then go to the options, and here we have the same where we can say customize our ribbon. So you can see it is the same grouping that comes to this part, which we can customize our ribbon, and from there maybe we can add what we want in our quick access. I like it being at the top here, so you can untick what you don't want it to appear on that, like open. If I want also the new to appear, I just tick on it. I can also tick on everything here. I can tick on everything there, but it will look messy if even the print. I can just have all of them there. If I don't want anything on it, I just untick it. I just untick it like that. Maybe like that. Maybe what else I don't need the print here. That is how you do. And also to customize these, we can see here we have different tabs which are clickable with different groupings. This is the backstage. We discussed it in our previous video. We can have the clicking the home tab, and here we have different groupings under the home tab, which we have the clipboard where you can paste, add font, paragraph, style, all that. We have the insert, we have the page design, mirroring, review, view, and the developer. If there is anything that we don't want to appear on our ribbon here, we just go to the file, then options, and then we can go under the customize ribbon, and then maybe we untick what we don't want to appear on that. And still you can see here what else can we add. We can add different things here, like maybe we can add the whole email current page, and then click on add, and then maybe we can add what the popular ones. I can all the tabs, and then we can click on maybe the design, and then we can click on add, and here we have the design added to our main tabs. And then if we click OK and view, here we have the design, which is now located under this tab. If you want to get away to do away with it, you can just click on it, then option, and then again on the customize our ribbon, and then untick it, and we can even say remove it. So if we click OK and go back here, we don't have any other design after the view. So if and also it gives us a provision whereby we can go to customize and have a new tab. We can click up new tab, and then under these we can right click and rename it. Maybe we can call it maybe Morris, and call it Morris. And here we have our, under the new tab we have the Morris, and also remember this one was also new, so you could have also renamed it to something else, which is maybe Monene. Click OK. So here we have Monene, and then you can click that. So here we have the grouping Monene, but it has nothing because there is nothing that we have added onto it. So we have this one being Monene, and there is nothing that is added to it. So to add something on the groupings, maybe we can go to the options and then customize our ribbon here, and then we want something to be inside here, isn't it? So you can go maybe to all tabs, and then we can see what is under the insert here. We have the tables, all that. You can click on these, and then you can add it below there. You can go to the tables also, and that we have already added. You can go to the building blocks and add it there, and then you can click OK. So let us refresh, and if you refresh now, you can see under Monene we have different groups. That is now my own style that I can have on this publisher. So whenever I need to put the calendar, I can just click on it and maybe take one the calendar and work on it. And then whenever I want to put the table, I can just go to my new tab that I have created, and then I can work on those. So that is how you can have the different new tabs created from the scratch and having its own groupings. And still there are more that you can do on these. You can also set the general ones. Maybe if you want to show the description of the tips, or whenever you hover around, you see the description of what you're doing, you just tick that. You can give the initials, the username, or that. You can also go to the proofreading and tick what you want. You can also quick access. You can also advance and tick whatever you need to be done on your publication when you are designing it. You can go to the trust center and also increase more settings if you want to have the macros enabled or disabled. So you have the trust center that you can customize. You have your headings, if there is any headings that you have, all that. So that is how you can simply customize everything from the scratch here on top, including and here there is a way also you can view. You can zoom your page either as 100% as a whole. You can say the page width. You can also do this. You can rearrange it. You can also do away with the scratch areas, page navigation, and still you can return them the way you want. Grind, scratch, print regulation. You can also give her the ruler. You can design different things. You can add your background. You can add your background to your application. So that's a general customization of the publication page that we are going to work on from the next video. And that's bring us to the end of this video. I was your trainer Maurice Monene. If you found this of great importance to you, consider subscribing, like and share it. Thank you.